Nick here, and today you will learn how to play Gloomhaven Jaws of the Lion Scenario 5. You can find the other scenarios on the video's description. Setup. Buy any items you want from the shop. Then play a city event, open the scenario and supplemental scenario book as indicated, set up the tokens, monsters, and stat cards as explained on the previous scenarios. The scenario has a boss, the Blood Tumor. Retrieve the boss monster ability deck, its stat card, and standee, then set it to level 1. And now you're ready to learn how to play Scenario 5. The scenario goal is to kill the Blood Tumor. The game rules are the same as the ones you learned from Scenarios 1 to 4. Whenever you enter the boss room, read the breakpoint and special rules. The boss mechanics are similar to regular enemies with some unique characteristics. Most of its ability deck consists of cards that read Special 1 or Special 2, which means the boss will use one of its two special abilities written on the stat card on its turn. The boss stats are often based on the number of characters, represented by the letters C. For example, this boss health is 10 multiplied by the number of characters, and its damage value is the number of characters. This boss does not move. On this section, you can find if the boss has immunities. In this case, this boss is immune to these three negative conditions. As stated on the special rules, the Blood Tumor starts the scenario with damage received based on the number of characters multiplied by 4. If any figure other than the boss suffers damage, the boss heals that amount of damage. If the boss is at max health at any point during the combat, the scenario is lost. Once the boss is defeated, read the conclusion and give 25 experience points to each player and add the next scenario sticker to the board. Whenever your character has experience value equal or higher than the threshold to the next level, which is written here, your character reaches the next level. Mark the next level on the character sheet. Then, retrieve the character's level 2 cards and add 1 to your pool of available ability cards. When you level up, you always get to add one new card equal to or lower than your new level. For example, when you reach level 3, you will select one card from either the two level 3 cards or the level 2 card you haven't chosen before. Note that you have to select from this pool a number of abilities per scenario equal to the number in the top right of your character's mat. Then gain one perk and increase your max health to the number displayed on your character mat. Now let's talk about scenario level. The scenario level is the average level of the party divided by 2 and rounded up. So if all characters are now level 2, the average level divided by 2 would still be 1. When the party reaches level 3, you can increase the scenario level to 2, and so on. Use the following table to adjust the monster's level, gold conversion, trap damage, and bonus experience for completing scenario. Note that you can make the game easier or harder by adjusting the difficulty. For example, if you want to have a harder game, you can increase the level by 1. Whenever your character reaches level 5, they will open the other pack of ability cards in their deck. The following scenarios use the same rules learned so far, and that's how you play Gloomhaven Jaws of the Lion. Did you like the tutorial? If so, hit the like button and subscribe to receive our latest how to play video updates. See you next time.